guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you the easiest crochet hairstyle. So if you guys want to see how I shape this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb, my shine and jam, and my hair clips to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, exactly the way I'm doing. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this, okay? And then I'm just gonna take my scrunchie and secure the top of my head right there. So I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb again, and then I'm going to section the hair in the back, just straight lines going all the way to the back. And then I'm going to be using my hair clips just to be holding the hair out of the way, and then I'm going to braid the hair down really quick, okay? So just basic cornrows going all the way down, nothing fancy, nothing serious, just to make sure you know I have like a base for my crochet, sis, okay? So that's all I'm doing right there. Very easy, sis. When I tell you this style is easy, you better believe me, because when you hear my voice this hyper, it means what? It means the style is easy peasy and lemon squeezy. And anybody, I mean anybody, even if you are a beginner, you can actually do this, sis. And this cornrows going down, sis, they don't have to be too straight. You know, you can always, do whatever in the back. Nobody's gonna see it, okay? So once I'm done doing the cornrows in the back, we're going to start with the crochet. I'm going to be using this 3X water wave crochet hair. It comes in 9 inches, 10 inches, and 11 inches. It comes 3 in a pack, and I'm about to use all 3. And I'm going to start with the 11 inches, which is going to be in the back. And I'm going to be separating the hair into 3 pieces. Okay, so one strand is going to give me about 3 pieces, 3 strands, and I'm going to be using my basic crochet needle, guys. I'm going to place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the crochet here, the little piece that I sectioned out, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm not gonna let it go yet. I'm gonna have my fingers into the hole exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to take the crochet here, place it into the hole, and I'm going to twist my fingers and take the crochet here again, place it into the hole, and then pull it out and tug it, okay? The reason why I'm securing it twice is because the hair is silky. It's a little silky touch to it, so you want to make sure it does not unravel. You want to make sure you are nice and secure. You are out in the streets, and people are not just going to be seeing some hair flying all over here, left, right, center. They're like, Tupo, what's going on? I don't know. You're gonna place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it on the hook, pull it out, and then once you pull it out, you're not gonna let it go. Open the hole, and then take your crochet hair, place it into the hole, twist your fingers exactly the way I'm doing, place the crochet hair into the hole again, and then pull it out. The whole reason, I'm gonna say it again, the whole reason why I'm securing it twice is because the hair has got a little bit of a silky texture. If you have hair that's got like a silky texture to it and you feel like it might unravel, this is the trick right here, sis. I'm not gatekeeping on anything. I'm gonna give you the real tea, period. Because you know what? This is your girl. I'm here telling you all the hair secrets. Oh my gosh, you already know when I'm having this much fun, it means what? It means the style is easy peasy lemon squeezy, and anybody can actually do this. While we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. My OGs, thank you so much for rocking with me for the longest. My newbies, hey boo, what's going on? You better subscribe to my channel, because girl, I have a whole lot of tutorials, videos that you are about to binge watch on, okay? And you get your hair situation all the way together, period. Your mama's hair, your auntie's hair, your cousin's hair. You about to be looking cute out in the streets. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, sis. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well. Make sure once you're getting to the top right there, you are crocheting very close together, because you want to make sure the top part looks really, really nice and natural. Even if the wind is blowing, you are nice and secure. You're like, who gonna check me? Who gonna check me, boo? All right, so let's get to the top part right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull out the baby hairs. You already know once we're done, we're about to be looking cute or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Shine and Jam and I'm just going to apply it on my natural hair exactly the way I'm doing. I just want to make sure, you know, the hair goes all the way to the top right here, which is my base on the middle right there. I'm not doing too much, honey, just some Shine and Jam, and that's about it. I like how it makes this hair feel, okay? So if you don't have any Shine and Jam, you can use some Eco Styling gel, but for this style right here, I just wanted to use some quick Shine and Jam, and it does stick the hair down really good as well. I'm going to make sure I take my Diana brush and just brush the hair all the way to the top right there, and then I'm just gonna take my scrunchie and secure it exactly the way I'm doing. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody, when I tell you anybody can do this, you better believe me. All right, so as you guys can see, the slick down looks good. So I'm going to be using the Gummy Professional Edge Control. And I'm just going to take my brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And I'm just going to make sure my baby hairs are nice and laid, baby, because we're about to be looking cute out in the streets, period. All right, so I'm going to be taking my styling strips and make sure everything is nice and laid and situated. So I'm about to use about 2-3 styling strips. And you already know I gotta use this bougie silk scarf. This is one of our scarves. You better make sure you check us out. Buy a scarf or two, sis. We got a whole lot of scarves over there, and they're so cute. You can wear them anywhere, at the beach with your bikini. You better make sure you check us out as well, okay? And then on the top part right there, I'm going to be using 9 inches. So I'm just gonna take it out of the pack. And then I'm going to be taking the strands. So this time I'm not going to, you know, separate the strands. I'm just going to take it exactly the way it is. So I'm just going to secure the hair with a scrunchie exactly the way I'm doing, sis. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly, okay? So once I secure it, I'm just going to make sure I place it on my head. So I do have my styling strip on just to make sure I do not ruin my sleek down, okay? So I'm just going to place it on my head and I'm going to flip it exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to take a couple pieces from the side and just secure it, making this look like it is natural. Just securing the bun really, really well. So I'm just going to go around, you know, making sure it is nice and secure. And then using my bobby pin to secure it in the back right there. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to start unraveling the hair exactly the way I'm doing, you know, just a little bit. That way it looks like the back as much as I can on the top right there. And then take my scissors and cut all the flyaways. And I'm not even doing anything to the hair. And baby, when I tell you this crochet hairstyle came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for this crochet hairstyle. I am loving it. I look good. I look like a whole lot of money. Oh my goodness. When I tell you, when this was done, I was like, yes, Tupo, you came all the way through, baby. When I tell you, I'm feeling good. I look good. I look like a whole lot of money, period. And you already know, I got to show you a couple ways on how you can rock it. You can flip it to the side, honey, and baby. When I tell you, it came all the way through as well, honey. Who's going to be doing hairstyles that are going to take you 6 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours? Nobody. 30 minutes, 45 minutes, you are out the door, okay? And I just did a, you know, a high bun and did a little bit of, you know, curls on the side right there, you know, the little curls coming through. And baby, this style came all the way through as well. I'm loving the curls. I'm loving the color. This T1B30 combination right here, it is the biz naive, period, okay? Thank you guys so so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 1 million subscribers, because baby, at this point it is up from here. But make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousins, your besties, your mamas, and your aunts, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.